a leading Middle East refinery was facing a critical problem. Severe fouling in the catalytic reformer convection section drove stack temperatures up to nearly 300 degrees Celsius, far above the 177 degrees Celsius design limit. Traditional cleaning methods could only reach about 10% of surfaces, leaving the plant with two options: replace the entire section or find a breakthrough cleaning solution. IGS Tube Tech's robotic ROV technology was deployed. Operated remotely, it accessed every tube row, delivered over 90% surface cleanliness, and eliminated confined space risks. The results were immediate. The stack temperature dropped by 112 degrees Celsius, restoring performance to 97% of the OEM design. Even 5 years later, efficiency gains remain, energy consumption is reduced, and costly replacement was avoided. This project proved that advanced robotic cleaning can transform performance and extend asset life.